Hello and welcome to my channel DK Vines. So today we are going to discuss about different kinds of talk. Different kinds of talk. Talk in class. Number one, talk in class. It is called lecture. Talk in class. It is called lecture. Talk in church. We go to church, temple and mosque. Talk in church is called sermon. S-E-R-M-O-N, sermon. Talk in court. It is called testimony. Talk in court, it is called testimony. And talk at a funeral, it's called eulogy. Eulogy. Alright? And talk at a wedding is called toast. You might be surprised. Talk at a wedding is called toast. And talk to yourself. Sometimes we talk to ourselves, isn't it? So talk to yourself is called monologue. M-O-N-O-L-O-G-U-E. Monologue. Talk to a friend. Simple, it is conversation. Conversation. And talk to an audience. Talk to an audience, it is called speech. Talk to an audience, it is called speech. Talk on radio or television. Interview. Talk on radio or television, it is called interview. Okay. And talk to sell a product. It is called sales speech. Sales pitch. Talk between two people. Dialogue. Talk between two people. It's called dialogue. Talk between countries. It is called diplomacy. Diplomacy. And talk between businessmen. I'm leaving it for you. Comment please. If you like my video, please subscribe and share for more videos like this. So today we have learned about different kinds of talk. Talk in class, lecture. Talk in church, sermon. Talk in court, testimony. Talk at a funeral, eulogy. Talk at a wedding, toast. Talk to yourself, monologue. Talk to a friend, called conversation. Talk to an audience, we call it speech. Talk on radio or television, interview. Talk to sell a product, sales speech. Talk between two people, dialogue. Number 12, talk between countries, diplomacy. And number 13, I'm leaving it for you, talk between businessmen or businesses. Please comment. Thank you very much.